Okay, I had a worn 9000 winch mounted on a receiver, and I wanted to move it from front to back. So we put a receiver hitch on the front of the truck and wired it up with these, they're called Anderson pole connectors. Found them on Amazon. Bought some 2-gauge wire, so you got the leads coming in from the winch, and then this plug will just plug in here, and these wires run back up behind the radiator, and you can see where I mounted it to the battery. Got some heat shrink on there. I use 2-gauge wire for the ground and the positive. I think that'll be sufficient. That's what came on the leads for the winch. These terminals came with these dust covers. Just plug them, pull the dust covers off. And there they are. So now the winch is hot. And then when you're done, if you need to move it, just pop it back loose. You can see, put a bracket from one side of the truck to the frame, all the way to the other, bolted it on both sides. This is just like warehouse rack, shelf bracket. Had some laying around. So that's what I did.